Hello dear subscriber, welcome back to my channel and you are watching Tekar. So this video today I'm going to show you how to download Filza file manager on your iPhone, iPad, iOS 15.5 new updates. So let's get started video with wasting any time. First of all, open the App Store app. So guys, here is search Filza file manager. So guys, here is Filza file manager. So guys, you have tap on download, tap it. So guys, Filza file manager downloading in my phone. So make sure to few seconds and back home screen, and so you here is can see. So guys, Filza download and installing. So this app will install. So this open. So and type your passcode, enter your passcode. In case you forget the pin of lock, you must remove and reinstall app. Warning, your data will also be deleted. So type your passcode, enter. So skip add. So this your pin code, type here. So guys, open and tap on folder. So guys, there is new create folder. So here is download and import and files PC. So here settings, remove password, change password, and set password. So if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I hope you please subscribe to my channel, like my share. Thanks for watching videos. Thank you.